Hi lovely guys. Today, I'll show you 3 easy ways to clear up space on your Android phone without deleting any apps. This video is going to be super informative, so make sure you watch till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So let's start with the first method to clear up space. Open the Google Files app. On the top left, press the 3 lines menu icon. Now press on the option called Clean. The Clean feature in Google Files helps you remove junk files, duplicates, large files, and unused apps. It helps your phone run faster and smoother by freeing up storage. Once you're in the Clean section, look for junk files. Junk files are temporary or useless files like cache, ads, or leftover app data. Google Files suggests removing them to improve your phone's performance. Just press Clean, and then confirm by tapping Clean again. For the next method, open the Google Photos app. Press your profile icon at the top right. Here, you'll see an option called Free Up Space on this device. This means Google Photos will delete photos and videos from your phone that are already safely backed up to your Google account. This way, you get more free space without losing your memories. At the bottom, you might see something like Free Up 18.64 megabytes. Just press that button. For the next method, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and press on Apps. Now, select any app, for example. I'll choose Chrome. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Storage. The Storage section shows how much space is used and how much is free. It helps you manage your phone storage. Now at the bottom, tap on Clear Cache. This will clear temporary data and free up space. You can repeat this for other apps too, to clean up even more space.